Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1973 Pontiac Grand Prix. Great car, guys. 89,000 original miles. I actually sold this car 2 years ago to a guy locally. He actually did a lot of cool upgrades on it. Put a brand new vinyl top on it, all new BF Goodrich Radial TAs on it, and he also put a brand new dash cover on the car. When I bought the car, it was a one family-owned Missouri car. It spent its spent its entire life in Missouri and had been in the same family. Original color, porcelain blue. It's had one repaint. It's all original body panels. It has most of the original interior. It has all the original drivetrain. Very good car. Now, I will tell you, of course, as I'm pulling it around to get ready to shoot the pictures in the video, the doggone AC compressor started acting up, and it's growling pretty good, so I'm going to assume that we're going to have to replace the AC compressor. Not a problem. I checked with Old Air Products. They got one in stock, and they're going to ship me one out, so that will get corrected. But very good car, good solid straight Missouri body, slick paint, other than a couple of little touch-up marks. Really just a good car. And man, you want to talk, these cars run and drive great. These old wide body Pontiacs are just good cars. Most of the chrome and stainless is original. It's still very, very nice. You can see somebody has definitely maintained this car. Stone pick there. You can see all that stuff is original and very, very nice. Bumpers are original. That front bumper is really nice. It shows a little age, but boy, not much. The rear bumper shows a little more than the front, but really nice. Look how nice those filler pieces are. Most of the time when I go see these things, to be honest with you, they're pretty beat up. A lot of people calling for this era stuff because it's not 50, 60,000. He just replaced the vinyl top. That's brand new. It was actually originally it was blue. He changed it to black. He liked to break up in the color. And that's brand new. Brand new dash cap too. I think he said that was $700. Glass is all original. It's really nice. A little wear on your rear speaker cover there. Just dust bunny. Little chip in your paint. Dust bunnies everywhere. Nice car though, man. Again, this stuff's original. A little touch-up mark on your filler panel there, but again, most of the time I go see the filler panels, they're gone, they're busted up. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, all original body panels. One repaint, but I think the jams have all the original paint still in it. Brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around. It's got the original Rally 2 wheels on it. He actually bought the stencils for it, so if somebody wants to touch up the wheels, that bumper's in good. It's nice, but like I say, you can see just a little bit of wear it's showing. Mark there. Nice car though, man. Clean, straight. Turn the key, go cruise it. Floors are nice. You can see what I mean. He bought the stencil kit that if you wanted to pull those wheels off, you can repaint them like new. Original owner's manuals, protector plate, all that stuff is in the trunk. Dual sport mirrors. Matching numbers, 400, 4-barrel, stock intake, exhaust manifolds, air cleaner, valve covers. All that stuff is original, guys. Again, the air, we're gonna have to replace that. We're gonna have to put a new compressor on there. I mean, I could be wrong, but I'm not. That compressor's bad. It's growling. Power steering, power disc brakes. Original matching numbers, 400 turbohydramatic trans. It's got brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. And we left that engine alone. That's the original engine paint still on that car. This stuff in here is actually the original paint. The outside's here, touch up mark there. The outside has been repainted, but like I say, the jams and stuff are original. There's your original Missouri safety inspection sticker. And he said he only put about 300 miles on this car. And he said I think he said him and his wife bought a place down in Florida, and so they were going down there for half of the year. And he's already got another car, original door rubbers. You can see that one's got a little tear there, but again, I wouldn't mess with that. Door seams are nice and clean. This is original, shows a little fade there on your armrest. But that's the only reason he said he sold it. He said he just, they were down in Florida for half the year now, and he's got another car too that he isn't driving either, but it's a new car. So headliner's nice, seats are nice, bucket seats. They did put new carpet in this car. You see it's got the wood grain center console, original steering wheel. What is it? 89,450. That's 53. That's the original miles. Factory wood grain dash and gauges. They put an aftermarket Kenwood radio. Again, brand new dash cap. He just had that installed. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Factory 10-bolt rear end with rear sway bar. It's got the factory jack with the old bias ply spare in here. Again, jams are original. No Grand Prix brochure. Again, this is your warranty card, your maintenance schedule, your owner's manuals. That's your stencil kit. It's got the original spackle code in here. All those cardboard pieces, those are original. And again, that's pretty cool. Jack with the original bias ply spare. Everything opens and closes real nice. Like I say, just a good car. Clean underneath. Floors are solid. Door seams are nice and clean. Seats are nice. It's a J model. Door handles are original. Again, it's got the dual mirrors. I believe the driver's side is a remote mirror. Yeah, and this thing's going to make a little noise when he fires it up, but I'm just going to replace it. Now it's going to make a liar out of me. That's hilarious. Again, that thing's making noise, I promise you. But we'll replace it. Good car, man. Give it a little rev, Gary. There it goes. Like I say, it just started squalling, man. Car's got great sound with those flows. Gauges are all working. Big old heavy Pontiac doors, they close good. Brake lights. Hopefully you can see that. Yep. Reverse. Put it in reverse. See, I know they work. Yep. Okay, put it back in park. Give it a rev. Sounds good. Radio works. I know I just had that on. Blower motor works. For the radio, it all functions. Like I say, they upgraded it to a Kenwood. Doors open and close. Nice wipers. Headlights. Yeah. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. That's just a good car right there.